Using your 10mm, go ahead and remove the engine cover. And the reason I'm changing this is I haven't proved that this vehicle burns oil, but the tailpipe is very dark. It's not super oily, but there is a good charcoal color to it. And when doing this job, you might want to order the PCV hose as well, because it oftentimes is very brittle and cracks. Here's what a good PCV valve sounds like. You can hear it rattling around in there. So this hose here is literally about to crack, so I won't be shocked if it cracks. If so, you can use some sort of like garden hose or rubber hose, or order an OEM part. But take this little clip, squeeze it together, wiggle that backwards. Alright, we got that off without breaking it, so that's nice. Let's go ahead and remove it. And you'll need a deep socket. I don't have one, so I've just set my socket on there and putting the wrench in as far as it'll go. Okay, we finally got that out. The piece inside does still move. It's very muffled just because there's lots of oil. And I noticed too, even with gravity, that this is getting stuck just a tiny bit. So it might be getting stuck open or closed. So that'll help recycle some of those oil fumes back into the crankcase. So let's go ahead and clean up the hole with some brake clean or paper towels. And then let's go ahead and thread that new one in. Clean up the mating surface just so the new one sits flat. Here's what our new one sounds like. And then I notice on this one that this little piece here isn't really getting stuck open or closed, so it seems like a good unit. Go ahead and start it by hand so you don't cross thread anything. Let's get this threaded in there all the way. Okay, we've got that tightened on there till it's flush. Let's go ahead and reinstall the hose. There we go. Easy as pie. Then you can reinstall your engine cover. Just line up the two studs. Circle in.